Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a South Indian style mixed vegetable kurma. For this, first we'll get ready with the masala. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 2 small cinnamon and 4 to 5 cloves, few curry leaves, 6 to 7 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger. Saute this for few minutes. To this, let us add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Saute the coriander seeds well, it will take time. The seeds have turned color. Now we are going to add 15 to 20 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use a big size onion. Add 2 or 3 dry chilies. We are going to add chili powder also, so adjust accordingly. Finally, add 1/4 cup of coconut and give a nice saute. Everything has fried well. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar, and we are going to add a little water and grind it into a fine paste. Our masala is ready. Set this aside. Take a pan, pour some oil. To this add few curry leaves. Now let us start adding the vegetables. This is 1 medium-sized potato chopped. Give a saute. These are carrot, beans and cabbage, and approximately 1 cup combined. To this add the required amount of salt and saute everything for a few minutes. Next, let us start adding the masalas. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Give a nice saute. Next, we are going to add the tomatoes. 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Before adding the masala, we have to half cook this. So close it with a lid and cook for few minutes. The vegetables are ready. It is half cooked now. Now it's time to add our masala. Now add a cup of water and bring it to a boil. Boil this for another 5 to 10 minutes. Our kurma is ready. Top it with coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.